In this lesson, we will explore how to react to zoom changes on the map. Each time the zoom level changes, we will display the correct value. We attach a listener to the zoom changed event. Inside the callback, we can get the current zoom level using map.getZoom. We can display this in the alert. Let's try it out. Now when we try to zoom in or out, whether with mouse scroll or double click or using the controls, the alert shows the updated zoom level. This way we can track the zoom changes and use the value in our applications.